this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 controller back to the PS5. So I have this connected to my phone, and it simply just doesn't work on my PlayStation anymore when I turn it on. The easiest way to reconnect it is with a USB cable just connected to your PlayStation 5. As soon as you connect it and press the PlayStation button, it'll connect back up to your PlayStation, and then you don't have to worry about wirelessly connecting it. But if you don't have a cable laying around, there is another way that you can do this. If you have another PlayStation 5 controller that's connected, or maybe a PS4 controller, or a TV remote, what you want to do is go up to the top and go to settings right here and select this, and then scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says accessories. So here it is, select it. Then we can go over to right to Bluetooth accessories, and then we can put our controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode, and then we can connect it under the screen. So my controller's already connected. You can see it's on here on the top. And what I want to do once I put it in the Bluetooth pairing mode is select it with the remote under here. So let's go ahead and then just disable one of these controllers. So I can see my Edge controller. I'm just going to delete it and forget it. Now I'm going to go to it, press the sharing button right here and the PlayStation button at the same time, and the light bar will flash and my controller will be in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now all I have to do is scroll on down and I should be able to find it right here. Select it and then go to yes to pair it, and now it's back on my PlayStation. Very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.